Scared from the death, they are
not scared for the death.
Yeah.
But Aceh people is scared for death. If he's dead, his wife is someone take it.
Yeah, the problem is and another thing is there is in Indonesia have malam minggu. This is the problem.
Oh, dan itu. Jadi kan,
Everyone scared.
karena mereka nang Aceh na malam minggu di Indonesia, di Afghanistan, hana yo ke mati tinggal permo. Imu perang Amerika apa? Cok lapak Amerika apa? So can I send Chinese people to Afghanistan for learning? You got friend? Yang aku tanya kan, pujuk kirim pasukan ke Amerno.
The belief is in Islam, in Quran also come. Someone come to your land. Come to your land, you need to fight. Jihad. Okay. This is mean you have to jihad. Like America come with his purpose, and this come to your land, your home. Now you have to fight. If you no fight, you will Allah will not help you. But this you compulsory first. Jihad is first now. Now you have to be fight. You need to die. Allah will give.
Okay, I know what you mean. Yeah. Hai. Jadi semboyan. Siapa yang jawab tadi bawah?
Quran is everywhere.
Di pengertian, awaknya kan diantri untuk mati jas merah. Macam mana? So yang uronyo meninggal.
Doktrin.
Ya, doktrin. Di doktrin. Lagi nyaran, tapi dengan agama ya doktrin. Jadi pemahaman ji, pokoknya di Jaffa dong. Pemahaman ji, awaknya di doktrin malahan awaknya diantri. So awak mengkarak-karak aja, mau perang dengan Amerika. Tapi perlu begah meninggal, tak mau curuga. Awak
Where is it?
Hey, this one, Chinese president.
Oh, Chinese president?
Yeah. Chinese president, minister, minister. Hai, pula gaji level Bandung bu. Yana salah buka haba lagi mah. Assalamualaikum.
Mana buka orang Inggeris mana anak.
Allah berakatuh. Anak salah.
Titi dah aku salam.
Na dengan terus.
Oh ya. Beri lanjut ju.
Kenapa?
Okey. Ni follow betul.
Jo. No follow je nama selalu follow le ben kat dua.
No follow.
Jadi tengok pi pandai ke follow ikut yang mana dah merupa baru mau kada tepuk ibang kada ai luar negara ke manan.
Pada dia kiban cara kan Afghanistan ipu turun Amerika apa yang gertuk lapak dari mereka. Can you ask me? Trust me for all people. Like what Afghanistan, what is it, Taliban, Taliban strong to kick American from Afghanistan. Yeah, they fight against. Yeah. Like what? You can strong.
They fight with the strong. Why is strong? Because they not scared from the death. They are
not scared for the death.
Yeah.
But Aceh people is scared for death. If he's dead, his wife is someone take it.
Yeah, the problem is and another thing is there is in Indonesia have malam minggu. This is the problem.
Oh, dan itu. Jadi kan,
Everyone scared.
karena mereka nang Aceh na malam minggu di Indonesia, di Afghanistan, hana yo ke mati tinggal permo. Imu perang Amerika apa? Cok lapak Amerika apa?
Tapi buka puasa di dunia, beritahu di dunia, di buka puasa di akhirat.
So, who like Afghanistan people, he make gun by himself, right? Gun, bullet, everything by himself.
Yeah,
From where is he learning that one?
Before America teach them.
Okay.
America and Pakistan, because Russia attacked to us, okay? So Pakistan and America don't want Russia come to the Pakistan water, and he come slow to another Asia.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Ipaga lewatnya, Leji, awal yang pernah pegang nabudi Amerika, tetapi dikarenakan cara ngawaknya ilmu kubah, ipaga geran untuk luar Amerika. That's right.
Yeah, America.
But you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I talk for someone.
Explain them, yeah.
Explain aja.
Yeah.
No, I explain what you mean. Hanaka. No, hai.
Abu Talal tanya pergi pakai diplom dari Afghanistan.
Ini pengusaha motor.
Businessman.
So can I send Chinese people to Afghanistan for learning? You got friend? Yo, aku tanya kan pujuk Ukraine pasukan di Amerno.
No, they don't.
Why is Chinese people is Muslim? Salah is pray Al-Quran, everything.
When the Russia attack, the Pakistan show them how to do this. They have every learn.
Okay.
After when the Russia go back,
Okay.
after America say, oh, now you are the terrorists, the Taliban. So they say the Taliban make America. America support them, give them money, give everything. They teach them training, everything done.
And then
Russia war. Russia lost. He gone. After that, Salam bin Laden come, and after they attack to Afghanistan. So in the Afghanistan, they already trained the people,
Okay.
So when they train, and they was at the fight behind because the Cold War, there's no front, but this was Cold War. They hide, come here, attack.
Abu Salam, natanya Osama bin Laden for real.
Osama bin Laden is real. Real is like a terrorist or he's by American crime.
This was this was real.
Real. He's real. He's a fight for Afghanistan.
Yeah, he was real because they will take the
But listen, the White House, this is Osama bin Laden project. He's making this one with his company. So who come is real?
No, we don't know what's it.
Jadi bukan real bukan hilung perusahaan.
We were fighting.
Yeah, I know.
For the name of Allah. But anyway,
Everyone know.
anyone, but it is the Afghan land before England, the Afghanistan history. This is history. No one win Afghanistan land because before one England, the India they were together. India, Pakistan, they also attacked to Afghanistan.
Okay, no worries. No,
They couldn't win.
I can order maybe like 1,000 Afghanistan Taliban. I bring to Aceh to fighting with Indonesia. But Indonesia belajar, man. Yeah, Indonesia belajar.
No, this is not the way like this.
No, like this.
Everyone has to fight for their land. This.
Yeah, I order you come to my land, and then I give you land a little bit.
No, this is no. They know where the land. They know where the land.
Jadi kung hilong kan pukul order awaknya kena Aceh, ilmu perang dia untuk Aceh mereka. Ipagkan lanji nya.
This is not Aceh. This is Aceh, and Aceh not America. What?
No, Aceh is America. America is Satan.
No, so America is not.
One thing. Question one thing. Jadi bagaimana Afghanistanian learn about Osama bin Laden? How about the people in Afghanistan learn about Osama bin Laden?
Afghanistan people learn about the
Abu Salam macam tu. Acin tayang Abu Salam soal Syiah nan dengan Sunni.
Sampai beda sama orang sektor Abu Salam. Jadi ketika ingin punya pasukan, lupakanlah soal itu sementara. Jadi bagaimana mereka mempelajari tentang Osama bin Laden, termasuk kesadarannya bagaimana, apakah dicintai dengan benar-benar ataukah hanya datang ketika setelah menang.
who big all people in Afghanistan he love Osama bin Laden or he's learned Osama bin Laden to fight with America or just or just strong belief for Osama bin Laden and then he's fighting with America and you win now.
The happen is in Afghanistan, the Pashto, in Islam also, but the Pashtun, the nation, when the guests come to your home, this the nation is Afghanistan is in the
Who's
blood,
nation?
blood. Nation is the all Afghanistan Pashtun.
Okay, no Pashtun, no
in blood.
Hazara.
This is in their blood.
No, you got Hazara and Pashtun.
No, Hazara is.
Oh, no Hazara.
No Hazara.
Okay.
No Tajik. Tajik they are
Tazir,
Hazara.
Hazara, Pashtun.
Tajik, Hazara, Uzbek. This is different.
Uzbek 3.
But the Pashtun.
Hold on, I ask. Jadi di Afghanistan heboh yang beda. Tazik, Hazara, Uzbek. Uzbek. Yang awaknya lebih ke Syiah dan Hanada Itim perjuangkan Afghanistan. Awaknya yang lepung luar negara full look and then runway to look like refugee. Pashtun.
Even
No Pashtun, Hazara.
Even the Hazara people also helped America to spy to the Pashtun king.
Okay.
This was Hazara.
Di
Uzbek.
Hazara.
Against the Pashtun.
Okay.
Hazara, Uzbek, Tajik, they against Pashtun.
Okay.
Pashtun is 70.
Yang mempertahankan Afghanistan yan, saboh suku kah yang ikut Pashtun.
America was there. All Tajik, Uzbek helping to the America.
Yeah.
The America.
Tazik, Uzbek, Hazara yang muhi Cina yan, yang bantu Amerika yan. Jadi yang pertahankan yan, yang ke Hazaranya Syiah betul. Hazara is 100% Syiah. Ya. Jadi awaknya maka irampot oleh Taliban. Jadi rampot Hazara yan. Jadi nak pertanyaan lain. Kiban Sas Merah, ada pertanyaan lain?
Ada juga berapa kan kalaga. Jadi dong ingin
Cepat nya nayo kamu part masalah Syiah agara yang kamu ho. Jadi kita maju terus buat yang naik bantu Yaman royo nya betul.
Someone asked me, no, Afghanistan is have like big help for Yemen and Palestine. You guys have Palestine and Yemen or not? About the situation America fighting with Israel, you know?
Yeah, we against.
Yeah.
Taliban, all of them, they are against. They say this like the land of
It's coming?
Palestine. Now, at the moment, you know, the situation, what the situation. America, Pakistan, Afghanistan is come.
Yeah.
But the whole world is, America said not accept them. Because the Afghanistan is win.
Okay.
America lose the war. Because they have all the world country friend, but they lose the war there. Because they nothing they don't have, but they lose. Now, America push the all countries.
Okay.
No, accept them. Now is no one recognized to us. Afghanistan have no power, no any people, no business coming, no anything's coming, no the other world is not no embassy other country, no embassy anywhere, except no any country except.
But isolasi you country by yourself, eh?
Yeah, by yourself, but just one country, and they whole country against them. They said no, we know except you. You who are you, Taliban? Who are you? They don't, but they are just because Allah help them, you know.
Okay.
They're nothing anything.
Jadi awaknya dengan pegelah masalah Roy. Pasca itu bit Amerika rinan, awaknya kayak diisolasi oleh Amerika, hana diplomasi dengan Rolex segala macam. Jadi kehidupan Afghanistan je tengah pegelah himro oleh awaknya. Kan hana bantu awaknya ijak tapi susah tak untuk ngomong. Like you very hard to cross country ya, to have a Palestine, Yaman.
Yeah, very far.
Karena kan Yaman dengan Palestin cukup jauh juga. Jadi waktu ini lewat nang lain karena hana diplomasi kai di isolasi di Amerika, awaknya hanji lewat.
Abu Tina Tayong Aceh
Mantap.
Tina Tayong Aceh depan.
Apa yang Aceh depan?
Jadi Abu Salam kiban sistem negara, kiban pendidikan di negara awaknya dan sistem negara awaknya. How about the lecture, woman or kid?
After you free from America, and then government
And the nation system.
everything about the law for women, like study, school, everything. Like what now? It's like free for women, school.
No,
Everything.
at the moment the Taliban, what happened? They want the following the country because before Sharia. They know they don't. Before was the girls, boys, everyone same school mix. Yeah. The Taliban is come, so they put the separate school for boys and the girls. But the girls was actually there is some university college was there, but they stopped now. The world also say they need to go. This year everyone is a little bit against because they need to start them, but they said no, we are planning some way the girls need to go with the Sharia way and they need to learn Islam and Quran with everything. But at the moment the kids going till 6th class. After 6th class they no allow them. So they are all the world say, even the Qatar and the Saudi, they say we are making planning, but at the moment this is our country, our land, so what we decide is our problem. No, the world say what we do, but we need to follow the order of Allah. We need to listen to the Quran.
This is for women, eh?
Yeah.
But for men is
Men can go now is men.
Jadi ane inong sampai kelas 6 ngajak pula. Jadi yang lain tetap tamang pesantren mendum sampai selesai. Untuk ane inong dalam konstitusi hukum awalnya tetap icok syariah. Jadi ane inong memang agak terjepit baju ane inong berarti jejak gula sampai year 6 for women.
Yeah.
For kid
6 years, yeah. They can go.
year 6 and then after madrasah.
madrasa, but they stopped the schools, and now they say we are whatever funding with the Sharia way.
For plan.
Soon, yeah, we make
Like
planning, but at the moment,
Sharia school, eh?
Sharia school, so they will be planning. This because the whole country says school for kids, girls.
And the nation structure, how about Mr. President or Sultan or anything?
You mean
Modern system
system is like
in Afghan.
Now the president there.
president?
Yeah.
No minister.
No minister.
It's not king there.
No. Just, with they have
Not monarchy, eh?
no.
Oh, president, one president. Hold on.
Okay, presidential and the politic party, right? How much? How much politic party have
At the moment,
until now?
yeah, no.
Oh, no election, eh?
No election. Yeah.
Presiden is oh jadi agak baju. Jadi hana presiden awalnya pilih kira presiden li awak Taliban. Alenyan kan masalah parliament is he got parliament but he's by
No, still when they come in the power, still they are in the power. They know
no parliament.
no parliament. They say just
President.
be in power because other there are many
No
other,
party.
other groups which is some of don't like the Taliban, some of they at the moment there's no party. Just at the moment one party, the Taliban. They're in the power.
And then
Instead,
party like but is it look like monarchy.
Look like just one party.
Harap
Yeah.
jadi Taliban tu. Hold on. Apa penyebab Amerika menyerang? What? Why the America attack you? Why?
from where?
America, he come to Afghanistan. Why he attack Afghanistan?
Nya apa dalam opium or anything else?
No. They Afghanistan have too much. Afghanistan have too much Latino. The land is the source.
No. Same like Australia.
Yeah, everything is there. Yeah.
Jadi Afghanistan
There was the people save on the land
that
every day,
Khalifah
but the
not
people
saying monarchy. Oh, Taliban. I mean Afghanistan is like Khalifah country.
yeah.
Oh ya. Betul bang Zoni Lutfi Khalifah country.
Baju tu Abu Aceh Tayang awak yang yakin han ke Imam Mahdi Pak Itren. Yakin awak yan. Kita yang yakin awak yan. Karena ini gempar berita tentang Imam Mahdi.
Oh, about Mahdi. Messiah, last Messiah.
Strong belief Imam Mahdi. So like Indonesia people, he believe Imam Mahdi coming back,
Yeah.
to kill the Dajjal after he's called.
Yeah, this everyone
to
has.
Allah.
This all
No.
Muslim.
Like we believe in Arabic, we don't know in Afghan, in Arab, in Yemen, the Imam Mahdi is coming back. Okay.
Yeah.
So the Afghanistan people, they believe like where is can come back again. In
The Afghanistan, they say this will come with the Khorasan. He will come with the Khorasan. Start the first he will
Last thing
swap
maybe?
to Khorasan.
Khorasan. What was
Khorasan is from Khorasan is Sham, the Sham and the Iran. They're in middle of the land. This
Yeah, country Sham countries.
Yeah.
Negeri Sham. We say Negeri Sham.
Yeah, so from there this will start.
Nanggro Sham. Orang percaya akan Imam Mahdi akan hadir di Nanggro Sham lagi.
Aceh Tayang awak yang dipercayakan awak yang Imam Mahdi akan lahir di atas negeri angin. Di atas negeri matahari. Dipercayakan.
Ni kaya pengusaha ada juga kecilnya. Dia dapat tu.
Gimana?
Urinan
Katanya pengusaha anak tajuk ke tentangnya nanti salah jauh malah rendah untuk buat bro. Dia hanya ada kandang ada dapat
anak bupa bang bateri. Kelebihan kau anak ada bupa tayong bang bateri.
Bang Long lagi di kamu grab ni bang we.
Orja.
Kamu grab yang ile bayang ile bang we.
Dia pun beri pun lepas dia mendung.
Anak long turun be.
Okey.
Long tepi long nagai.
Dia baca.
Salim mendum.
Ada pertanyaan dulu.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okey, tak.
Abu dalam Nena puri lah macam tu.
Okey.
Jadi pertanyaan lero ni ya long pegang haji.
Serius.
Ayo mesti ada nak mesti.
Your blood is
Jadi alasan mereka menyerangnya kalau jelas ayo.
Amerika menyerang. Sebenarnya aku pernah hajunya paling jauh, baik dia jauh. Amerika, Inggris, negara-negara barat menyerang, diserang Afghanistannya, benda puiron. Di Afghanistannya, lat batak kayak batai yang karena cadangan dalam tanah, contohlah. Emirat, the green color, Emirat.
Yeah.
Is number 1 in Afghanistan, right? You know, negara I know that. Emirat mentang bayangkan satu karat padumnya, nyan kan juta ton itu mung di Afghanistan. Emirat nyan, diamond like pink, black diamond, have pink diamond in your country? In Australia have pink diamond, green diamond, black diamond, brown diamond in Australia. And your country?
Emerald batai jamrud.
Jamrud yang paling ngeri
Permata.
Jadi benar, awaknya gas, cadangan gas cukup ngeri. Jadi awak kai bagi-bagi teman awak Eropah kamale. Jadi tarik diri.
About opium.
Opium number 1.
Now they stop. The Taliban is no.
Taliban stop. Hanjili ipoh awak pula opium.
They give them warning. If anyone have, they bring and they put fire. If no one, if they catch after the big, now it stop fully.
Hukuman
Even
they kill?
Yeah?
Maybe it's put again after fire. It put again is kill.
No. Sorry.
It put in jail.
Yeah. This big punishment. So
Jadi Jino kay anggap ilegal ini, i-drop le Taliban.
Same like marijuana in here.
Marijuana.
Marijuana in here.
Some was a very famous one, but now they stop no more.
No more.
Taliban come. They
But no more is no woman no cry. Benar game lah itu. I up le pusaka jam.
Oba soldier, my hypocrite.
Buffalo soldier. But attack from Afghanistan.
But attack from America.
Kayaknya buat Afghanistan ni Buffalo soldier.
Buffalo soldier.
Tarik Siga Abu Salam. Okay, we talk the Arab.
Cibat Arab nama.
No, can I?
Oh ya anjir. Urdu.
No, I can.
Hindi.
Pashto. Hindi I understand.
You understand Hindi?
Hindi understand.
Can you talk in Hindi like how are you my friend all in Aceh?
Yeah.
How are you all friend in Aceh? I want to come to Aceh. I love Aceh. I love Aceh girl. I want to marry with Aceh girl. Hindi.
Okay. कैसे हो मेरा भाई?
You look.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Beautiful. My eyes look. Okay. कैसे है मेरा भाई? हम where are from? What he said? हाँ हमको बंदा अच्छे हम आएगा एक बार हम देखेगा उधर सुनामी का बोर्ड भी आएगा और हमने देखेगा विजिट करेगा बड़ा अच्छा लोग है जबरदस्त है मेहमान नवाज भी है
Hindi or Urdu?
Hindi हाँ
Bahasa Hindi juga ni.
Abu Salam, nyo kap sana aja Abu Salam. Apa yang paling dia terkesan dengan Indonesia secara keseluruhan? Ya, aja perbandingan.
Okay.
Menyaji dengan Indonesia apa yang tersirat dalam pikiran Ji?
Okay. What reason very give you happy and like very make you happy in Indonesia?
Because aku akan tinggal di Indonesia 3 tahun. Kapan aku datang di Afghanistan? Awal aku datang Afghanistan di Malaysia di boat, datang di duduk bus pergi Jakarta. Di Jakarta 4 hari, 4 malam duduk di bus. 2 jam lagi Jakarta. Kapan aku Jakarta? Aku ada UN documents. Aku free, no problem, tidak apa-apa. 2 jam post lagi, check post. Polisi datang, aku melihat no Indonesia sama dia.
I mean like why you happy?
Karina kenapa happy? Karina kan kapan polis check post datang, karena paspor abang aku tidak tahu bahasa, tidak tahu English. Karena dia bawa di jail 6 bulan di jail setelah datang di Kalimantan. So, aku tidak ada. Kapan aku tinggal di Indonesia, aku ada 3 tahun tinggal. Kapan 1 tahun kapan aku free, aku Afghanistan tidak ada seperti Medan.
Indonesia.
Coba Medan ya ada. Semua orang
And then
bagus.
and then you got Batak girl, eh?
Batak.
Okey, betul lah. Apa yang dijemput tentang Bali?
Oh, you have no everywhere. You have no very well about Bali.
No, just 2 nights I was in there.
Dua orang kadang-kadang I pergi tempat setan kan.
Oh, berarti nak surga lain di Aceh. Please visit.
Okay, this someone asked apa yang membuat orang Afghanistan antusias melawan US. Okay, what reason strong they give Afghanistan people to strong and for fighting with America.
What group was strong?
Hmm.
There was when the group was how they believe there.
Why they believe to strong for push you?
There is the big many madrasa people training. Everyone have their own number. They say when they're going, they say if I dying and they are happy. They say to the people number many people waiting.
Okay.
I'm going to put blast and going to there and blast. And everyone waiting, Ya Allah, give my number first. I go. They have believe if I go to, because this is the land.
Go to Allah.
No. Go to Allah. The belief is in Islam. In Quran also come. Someone come to your land. Come to your land, you need to fight. Jihad.
Okay.
This is mean you have to jihad. Like America come with his purpose, and this come to your land, your home. Now you have to fight. If you no fight, you will Allah will not help you. But this you compulsory first. Jihad is first now. Now
Okay.
you have to be fight. You need to die. Allah will give.
Okay, I know what you mean. Hai. Jadi semboyan. Oh, siapa yang jawab tadi bawah?
Quran is everywhere.
Apa yang membuat? Jadi kai Jafar kena menghadap khabar. Jadi mengapa awaknya ternyata awaknya nadi punya ni kena alah tua ke bahasa Indonesia je. Pu jas merah mesti awaknya kadi brand yang pukul. Alah dibi pengertian awaknya kadi diantri untuk mati jas merah. Mesti benar. So yang uronyo meninggal
Doktrin.
ya doktrin di doktrin lagi nyaran tapi dengan agama ya doktrin. Jadi pemahaman ji di Jafar tu pemahaman ji awaknya di doktrin malahan awaknya diantri so awak mengkarak-karak aja mau perang dengan Amerika tapi perlu begah meninggal tak mau curuga benar. Karena dalam semboyan lagi ada nyong sebenarnya benar nak aku barum so leh si pahmi pojan na orang pegah kiban cara dalam meperang sama muslim dari Jawa aja. Sebenarnya jawaban ji empat karena Pak Ji. Jadi jawaban ji tanya untuk mempertahankan in Muslim to protect your land, okay? Like come to Jannah or come to to hell. If you Afghanistan your land, right? And then America coming
Yeah.
to take everything in your land and you fighting
You will
not
fight.
about the religion but land.
No.
About religion or land.
With the religion, he come to
And
your home.
include okay.
Come to your home, you have to fight because this is your land and this is your home.
Mm.
He cross your road and he come to you. Now you need to jihad for that. That's all.
Okay. In Aceh, there is satanic temple building. Do you remember when you go to Aceh? He said have a big ship.
Yeah. So
Big ship.
I've been here.
The electric ship. If from Shaya is bring to city.
The water.
Yeah, the big ship boat.
Well, it was stuck there.
You go there.
Yeah.
Naik kena naik kalian. Apakah anda doktrin religion bagi rakyat Afghanistan? Kai kena kapag haba Jafar bayu. Kata mayang gero ke. So, what about you think about the Achenese girl, Achenese woman? You like Achenese woman or not?
Hey, this one electric fish.
Are you coming eh? Yeah. Naija ba kapayapong. So like
No, I show you the photo.
no, so
No, the photo is gone. Oh yeah, here you go. I was there.